Good morning, dear students. So, first year chemistry's first topic atomic structure. Atomic structures, hydrogen spectrum and Bohr's model is completed. Next one is quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are a very important 8 marks question. Quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are used to locate the position of electrons in atom or called quantum number. Quantum numbers are used to locate the electrons. Locate the electrons in an atom. To locate the electrons are in an atom to formation quantum number. This is the quantum numbers. Quantum numbers, they are divided into 4 types. First one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum numbers. First one is principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum numbers. Third one is magnetic quantum numbers. Magnetic quantum numbers. Fourth one is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. Quantum numbers are electrons are located the quantum numbers are used to the locate the position of electrons in an atom to formation quantum number. Position of atoms, electrons in an electrons position. So differentiate the locate the electrons. This is the quantum number. Quantum numbers are 4 types. They are divided into 4 types. First one is principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Third one is magnetic quantum number. Fourth one, spin quantum number. So first one, principal quantum number. Quantum numbers are locate the position of electrons. So they are divided into 4 types. First one is principal quantum number. So first one is principal quantum number. It was proposed by Niels Bohr. It was proposed by Niels Bohr. It was proposed, quantum number is proposed by Niels Bohr. So it is denoted by small n. It is denoted by small n, and n values are k, l, m, n, r 1, 2, 3, 4. N values k, l, m, r, n are 1, 2, 3, 4. So principal quantum numbers are proposed by Niels Bohr, denoted by small n. It is n values are k, l, m, n or 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the n values. Next one, significance of importance. Quantum numbers are significance and principal quantum number significance. So first principal quantum number proposed by Niels Bohr. It is denoted by small n. N values are K, L, M, N or 1, 2, 3 denoted. And to significance or important is principal quantum number. It is describe the size and energy of the orbit. It is the describe the size and energy. Size and energy is the orbit. It is the describe the size and energy of orbit, and it is the energy levels or the n values increases, size and energy also increases. N values increases and size and energy or energy also increases. N value increases, size and energy also increases. So, significance for size and energy of size and energy of orbit. Describe the size and energy of orbit. And to next one, n value single. N values are number of and principal quantum numbers and increases, size and energy also increases. Orbit to size and energy also increases. Principal quantum number. Maximum number of electrons present in main electrons. Maximum number of electrons present in main electrons is given by 2n square. Maximum number of electrons n square, denoted the 2n square formula. Maximum number of denoted formula is 2n square. 2n square to maximum number of electrons. So denoted the n value, size and energy and maximum number of electrons present in 2n square, and maximum number of orbitals present the main energy levels is given by n square, only n square. Maximum number of orbitals. Maximum number of orbitals. N square only. Maximum number of electrons 2n square, maximum number of orbitals are n square only. So to formation principal quantum, the first one is principal quantum number proposed by Niels Bohr. It is denoted by small n. N values K, L, M or 1, 2, 3, 4. Significance or importance of principal quantum number. Size and energy. Describe the size and energy or orbit. And n values increases, size and energy also increases. Maximum number of electron formula is 2n square. A maximum number of orbitals is denoted as n square. This is principal quantum number. Table 2n square or n square. N value shells, electrons and orbitals. Maximum number of values 2n square, maximum number of orbitals is n square. N values are, first one is n values shells, second one shells, third one is number of electrons, n values shells, electrons, orbits or orbitals. Electrons are formula maximum number of electron 2n square, maximum number of electrons are n square. First one is n values. N values, principle of n values 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. 5. Number of shells K, L, M, N or O. K, L, M, N or 2n square. 2 into n values whole square. 2 into n square అంటే 1 square equals to 2 ones 1 square equals to 2. 2 into 1 2 whole square 4. 2 2s are 4 only 1 square. And next one is L to formation 2 to 2 square. 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 and 2 square. 2 2s are 2 square equals to 2 2s are 4. Next one 3. Substitute the 2 into 3 square equals to 3 3s are 9 9 2s are 18 and 3 3s are 9. Next one is 4. 2 into 4 square. 4 4s are 8 8 2s are 16 right. 4 square. 4 4s are 16. 32. This is the 32. And next one is 5. 2 into 5 square. 50 and 5 square 25. This is the principal quantum number. Principal quantum number proposed by Niels Bohr, denoted by small n. N values are K, L, M, N or 1, 2, 3, 4. And significance here, it is the maximum number of electrons is present in the n2n square, and maximum number of orbitals is n square. And n values increases, size and energy also increases. It is the principal quantum numbers is describe the size and energy levels. And to formation, next tables n value, shells, electrons, orbitals. 2n square electrons, n square orbitals. So substitute the 2 and n means 1 2 3 4 5. To substitute the n square. This is the principal quantum number. Next one is azimuthal quantum number.